This is Kalaki.
Kalaki P.A.G.
Kalaki is good.
Lay right.
It's not bad.
Don't go me and right.
But it is the devil is bad.
Bimano.
For that,
I am calling
you from here.
John Ajalo Banga.
My people of God, I ask you that this is the day that I am handing over to him
officially.
I request all those ones who are outside to please come in. Even if you just stand when you don't have a seat. I just request all the people who come from outside to come and stand. It's called Charles Sabuangu. Charles Sabuangu is a person who received Christ from the Lord. He's a person who endured for so long. Till he came to leadership. Somebody starts leadership when you are not yet born. You come to the world when your name is already there. I have said these names. I want to hand over you to his hands. As he is a pastor, he has come to shepherd us. Let us receive him. I hand over these people to you. Put them on your hands. Put them at your hands. For you to lead them. Till that time when God will tell you to stop them. I hand over all these people at your hands. I request all my children who are within to come in front here. This is the day when some of you may know them. I normally don't take time to introduce people. But that is the vision of our home. All my life, if you see any fault in them, teach them. If there is any weakness in them, rebuke them. Make them straight. Rebuke them. Bring them back to the path. As the Bible instructs us. My wife and my children, do you agree with what I have said? Maybe you don't want.
Yeah.
We have accepted. Let it be so. Thank you. Say what? Then I will finish the rest. I want to thank God so much. I see people trying to see us from outside. Let us allow them in. let them just come and see what is happening.
Reverend
I want to thank the Reverend Jonathan and his home people. Since that time when God brought you here, he struggled with your lives up to today, bringing you and handing you over to me today. Join our hands and we give back thanks to him. He has done a great job. Without God, we would not make it. Following what he said today, that today is the day that I'm handing all the people from Kalaki Assembly and your hand. I welcome all of you in the name of Jesus. I have faith that as God has been using him, he will do the same with me also. I cannot do it alone, but it is God who gives me strength to do it. I accept that there is a purpose. God has brought me here for a purpose. I humble before him that let his will be done. As you have received me to work with you, let us allow God to use us together. I have no any other heart or any other mind, but I want God to be ahead of us. For he's the one who has called us. For that reason, we have come here to look for the eternity. I am someone from Kalaki here. I'm not from far. I am from home. Our home is Katanga. I was shepherding people of Kodongai. That it is time to leave Kodongai, then you go to Kalaki. I obeyed his voice. Now I am here. I would have welcomed you together with my wife, but he's in bed, she's sick.
Thank you, Abba.
I have my son here and people who have accompanied me. Some of my workmates from Odongai. Stand up. In front. My backbone. I said that if the mother is not going to move with us, let us go now. Let him get you. Amen. Thank God first by his grace for keeping us. He has brought us together today again. It's my first time fellowship with you in Sundays like this. This is my father. It's called Boss Johnson. It's a sad born. He told me that let us go and see how Kalaki is. I say